Give me a few seconds and I will show you how to transform your room into a serene oasis with the anti-gravity humidifier with LED clock display. Tired of dry air causing skin irritation or headaches? This humidifier is the solution. Using ultrasonic atomization, it creates a mesmerizing anti-gravity effect, making water droplets appear to float upwards, all while emitting a cool mist to hydrate the air. With an 800 ml tank, it runs up to 8 hours, and the LED clock ensures you're always on time. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to tranquility. Click the link below to bring this calming ambience to your space.